So my T-shirt it says saint or a sinner. I am a saint and he is a sinner.
So the name of your YouTube channel.
Yeah, you're right. The karma of me doing this to Aishu is hitting me.
This Paneer belongs to the Elite Club. Elite Club of Paneer.
Your Porsche RS keys.
Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I guess I'm gonna be a YouTuber now. So, I wanted to start my YouTube and Instagram journey together when I come back, but I will start posting on YouTube first and then I will come back on Instagram when I feel like coming back. This is my first episode of my favorite food series. My friend introduced me to this new place which serves the best paneer dish. It's a chef's dish. We just went 2 days ago and now we're going back again because it was so good and I was craving for it when I woke up in the morning. So I'm gonna go pick him up and we will go hit that place.
So this is Rishabh. So
Yeah.
it's so. Pretty rough paper scissors whole with
Yeah.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors.
Okay, so I wanna have the spicy corn and mushrooms.
It's your choice. And then two of this or one.
You tell me. I can down one with anything.
Okay, we'll order two.
Fine. Let it be
We're
a
ordering
whole.
two?
Let it be a whole meal.
Yeah, whole meal. We're ordering two paneer pepper rice special.
On chocolate. I'm sure that like you work out that.
Wow. Sir, one spicy corn and mushroom soup. Bite ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡು ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್
ಎರಡು ಬೇಕಾ
That's it for now.
ಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋಣ
Actually gave the look. Like, ಎರಡು ಆಗ್ತದೆ. No.
But you know what? To be honest, I think if we had ordered one, we would end up ordering one more.
Yeah. It's better to just be here and eat.
Yeah.
We can finish it though.
I'm gonna finish it too.
Come here just 2 days ago to eat this. He introduced me to this book. That's worth it.
Like I keep looking at the kitchen.
It was coming. Can't wait. Today's tagline is Paneer Deed can't wait. What?
This video is proof of my
Listen.
before.
Okay, this is his before.
Like we're gonna use footage from this video as my before it.
So before, yeah, we'll record a video in December.
We'll do one every month.
Yeah,
Food
the same
review.
place.
How many times do you wanna eat this paneer? In fact,
Time.
soup is also like a price review.
No.
Yeah.
It's not even a review. It's just that the food, all the food that I like.
It's just a glorified way of saying,
Next, let's go to Priyadarshini.
oh yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
And we are the order one contest.
Yeah. So Rishabh, okay. So, I'm gonna tell you my YouTube name. Okay. You have to tell me honest review.
Yeah.
Okay? No sarcasm. No pun intended. Honest.
So the name of your YouTube channel.
Yeah, the name of my YouTube channel.
Can you tell me what type of channel it's going to be? Like vlog or food reviews? Pretty much everything. Okay.
Basically I want me. Yeah. Ramya, yes. I said no sarcasm.
It's a good name because you know keep yapping.
Yeah.
Yeah, yaps.
How's it?
Not sure how I feel about this. What the fuck? This name is either a banger or You're gonna look like a fool.
How will it look like a fool if I'm
The name
justifying
will-
the name?
Yeah. To do like Yapper Ramya. Instead of rapper Ramya, it's like Yapper Ramya.
So I was like thinking about Ramya Yaps or Ramya Rants. So I was like, this is much.
Sounds pretty good. Like,
Yeah. Then I asked ChatGPT, Ramya Yaps or Ramya Rants. It said Ramya Yaps for sure.
So this is that spicy
Corn and
mushroom.
mushroom. Yeah. See.
Eternity later.
It's good.
Nice, bro. The only thing this is missing is chicken inside.
He's come to a veg restaurant. And he's missing chicken.
What can I say?
Okay, so I'm gonna ask one more thing.
Yeah.
Same, you have to answer very politely.
Politely.
Yeah. So, how grateful do you feel to have such a fabulous personality and a very funny and a very humorous friend like me in your life?
That was one long question, dude. It just kept adding and adding. Yeah, man, feels pretty good. I'm not going to lie. Sure.
How grateful are you? On a scale of 1 to 10,
Okay.
how much would you rate?
10. Easy 10.
He's so grateful to have me in his life. He's rating me 10.
I just want her to pay the bill.
You stop looking at the tips and it'll come.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
It's a mountain of paneer. Bro, I give this 8.5.
And the soup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You?
Yeah. It. I was shocked. I thought you were talking about paneer.
Hey, bro, I think it's time.
Yeah.
It's time.
You wouldn't have seen anything like this also. I'm pretty sure. Very unique. I can't wait to eat it.
This is the best part.
Yum.
Okay, we're going for a bite. It is completely stuffed. Chill.
Cheers. Solid 10 on 10.
Okay. Perfect.
I love the lemony flavor that it gives.
Dog, huh? Especially that batter. Dude, this has been a special 20 years. My dad used to get me.
Why didn't you ever tell, bro? We've been friends for 5 years now and he got me here now, knowing how much I love paneer. Like, this is the only favorite dish.
I don't know how that never came up. Maybe you weren't paying attention.
Sure. You never said it. I will never not pay attention when it comes to paneer.
This paneer belongs in the elite club of paneer.
Yeah. There's absolutely nothing like it. It's a very unique. I have never eaten anything like this in my entire life. So 2 days ago when we were here, he asked me what's your favorite vegetable. My mind automatically put paneer. Platinum of paneer. I'm like, shit, paneer is not a vegetable. I'm a vegetarian. What do you expect? This is the favorite that I have. I mean, I'm a vegetarian by choice. Not like a pure vegetarian. I eat biryani. I just don't eat meat. I mean, it's not like I like chicken biryani only. I even like paneer biryani. But I like biryani. I don't mind eating chicken biryani.
Anything that does not involve meat, you cannot call it a biryani.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Paneer biryani is biryani.
That's not even a thing.
No.
It is what it is. It's just paneer rice, biryani, veg biryani rice. Sorry.
Veg biryani rice, yeah.
Veg rice.
It's biryani.
It's perfect.
Paneer biryani.
Veg palav is actually. Literally veg palav. Don is so happy right now.
Yeah, man. From morning.
I hadn't eaten anything the whole day thinking about it. How many people do you think are watching this right now?
We have 51 subscribers.
But how many do you think are watching this right now?
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
Like us recording?
Yeah. No, bro.
Okay, the video.
The video, yeah. When you upload the video.
I think it can even be 0 viewers.
Yeah.
You never know. But I put the links in my WhatsApp. So I think
You have
about,
to install that.
about 50. 50 views, 50, 100.
Are you kind of full or no? Can you keep going?
I'm not full.
Guys.
How clumsy my friends are. This is how clumsy.
You know, it happens, when you're out and your friends are, unnecessarily recording you. Happens.
Messy, messy, messy.
Just cut to the part. With your show, just the paneer.
I think I am the most clumsy person, but I meet my friends. And then I realize I am not.
Oh, the pizza shop in New York. Like it's supposed to be the best pizza.
What is it?
Yeah,
Maybe 3 years down the line,
yeah.
I'll take you. So I'll tell you that how we became friends.
The food is good when you just stop talking.
We want to keep them entertained.
I don't think they're still watching.
See, someday when this blows up,
I might regret saying this.
Yeah.
Someday like this. The best part is you can eat this chili effortlessly, not even spicy.
12 seconds later.
Oh, it hit me a little down.
Effortlessly, not even spicy.
I'm kind of full now. This is my 6th.
Oh,
I will pause for a while and then his friend with whom is in a situation.
no. I guess we'll never.
Just we'll know when they get married. So I'll tell you guys how we became friends.
Let's go.
My friend Aishu, we are dance buddies. Sanan Rishabh is Aishu's brother. Younger brother. He looks older, but he's actually a younger brother.
Yeah.
He's younger than me also. He's younger to me or younger than me.
I think it's younger than me. Oh yeah, younger to me, both work.
So she introduced us. It was lockdown and we were just hanging out in her terrace. Second lockdown, 2021. And we just happened to see each other every day because we couldn't go anywhere out. That was the only place that I used to hang out. And we happened to see every day. And then when lockdown opened, right, the curfew and everything was done. And then, but I still kept meeting him, another guy named Abhilash. So 3 of us became very close. And after that, we just forgot Aishu exists. So sorry, bro, but yeah, facts. I'm sorry. The fact that I forgot Aishu and I started hanging out with you. Like, she introduced us.
I mean, you didn't really forget her.
Yeah, I didn't forget, but I used to not hang out with her much
Yeah,
as much as I
anymore,
hang
yeah.
out with you guys. And I didn't even know what's happening in her life.
Yeah.
But I know what's happening in your life. Like,
Yeah.
day to day, we give updates and shit. So yeah, I feel like the karma of me doing this to Aishu is hitting me. I am a sole believer of karma. I feel like if something's happening to me, I'll be like, okay, I did something. That is the reason this is happening to me.
But the more we keep recording, the more I'm settling with the name of your YouTube channel.
Yeah. That's the whole point.
Yeah.
Then we just became close. Very close. Very.
I mean, we're doing a
Everything.
food review, so you can imagine.
Yeah, you can imagine. And you also pretty much know everything that happens in each other's life on a daily basis.
The only thing I don't know yet is that if she's rich. I mean, I don't know, but I just have no way to prove it. So, yeah. Just leave it at that.
He says you're rich as fuck, but you're just not admitting it.
Don't.
He's like, just when are you gonna come out, Ramya? Like, when will you,
Expose
you know,
yourself.
yeah, when will you expose yourself? When are you gonna be like, Rishabh, thank you for being a loyal friend, take your polo suit or something, polo.
Dude, you went from a Bosch to a Polo.
Your Porsche GT3 RS keys for being my loyal friend.
With Ford.
For your Porsche. Also.
Ford. It's Ford.
Potato, potato. It's just two different nations.
That's the original nation.
Original nation.
Yeah. I mean, that's how it's pronounced.
Porsche.
Yeah.
Call it a situation. Hi.
ये मत करिए आप. Say hi to the vlog.
That is a situationship we're talking about, by the way.
Do you have any words of advice?
Curry pepper spray. Akshay class then. 8 to 9. Bye.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, guys. We literally ordered nothing but paneer. The waiter is giving looks. He's giving side eye.
These motherfuckers just really down two plates of fucking paneer. Bro, I'm telling you, any other paneer in this quantity, I couldn't have eaten it. That is for sure.
Actually, Akshay doesn't like paneer because he says, "Adike no masala na idea." It's not flavorful like chicken. It's not tasty.
Just let him taste this, bro.
Yeah,
It's
that's
the
I want
opposite
to-
of what he thinks. Yeah, masala idiyala is a good point actually.
Yeah.
Because that's usually the problem with paneer. Be very unique. I don't know. Very.
But this is not like that because
This
it's
is
very
not that well.
thin. Because the batter is consistent more and the paneer is less. It's very thin. So it doesn't feel like.
Yeah. Bro, I think there is a solid block of paneer.
Yeah.
One plate here.
It's worth the money.
Yeah.
The quantity is also very. So on my t-shirt it says saint or a sinner. I am a saint and he is a sinner. It's true. He's speechless. So that's it for this vlog. Here comes an end to my first episode of Favorite Food series.